Hello, good day everyone. We're gonna show you how we fund our credit wallet or wallet after we registered in Ape Mobile social media. So this is our account. So we need to click this one. Click this at the top. Yep. And then you need to go to settings. After settings, scroll down and then you see wallet and credit. Click that one. And then click add fund. And then put the amount here, how much you want, $5. And click this. So if you have PayPal account, click PayPal account. If you don't have, click credit card and debit card. It's the same. So click that one and then you go here. You need to enter your card. So this one I have the card to link this, but if not, so you need to enter your card details. Come out here. So because I have already card here, like this. If you don't card to link this, this like come out. So write your card number, expiration, and then your name, and then click pay. So because I'm here in Australia, $5 US dollars is $7.93 in Australia. So that's it. And then click pay. So after you click pay, I don't do that one because I'm already have money in my wallet. So after that one, click pay. So and then if successful, so automatically goes to your account. And then if you successful add to fund your wallet, so you see this one on the top under your name, have money in there. And then when you come back your account, if you have money, click this one, Pay Now. So after you click Pay Now and then click Pay Now again. And then he said it's successfully done. And then after that he said congratulations, you have now activated. So this in your account is activated now. You can receive money for that one. Okay, that's it.